Hey friends! It's back!
Finally, matatry na namin yung garlic butter chicken from KFC. Ito lang yung goal namin today after namin siyang ma-miss out noong 2019 and 2021. Nabalitaan niyo na rin ba from Catherine Bernardo herself that KFC's garlic butter chicken is back? So nabudol kami syempre. And aside sa garlic butter chicken, meron din palang garlic butter twister. Of course, we cannot not try it as well. Busog-lusog ang peg natin today. Atak agad kami sa garlic butter chicken. The glaze itself, pretty generous. It was definitely buttery, like maaamoy mo na agad. May garlic flavor naman and may sweetness din, which I personally like kasi mahilig ako sa sweet savory food. We love that they used hot and spicy chicken for this kasi nakaka-help yung spiciness to balance out the butter and sweetness. But si Lovey can take more heat pa daw. We also love na may konting crispiness pa rin yung skin kahit may glaze. And the butter rice, grabe. So bad but so good. Now, first time ko makatry ng any twister variants from KFC. And aside dun sa garlic butter chicken, na-enjoy